Hi, welcome back. You're still watching This Beautiful Day. This is Weather HQ. Now, with the growing concerns over noise pollution and illegal garbage disposal, the Baguio City Police Office has intensified its operations, targeting vehicles with illegal mufflers and residents who burn trash. Now, to tell us more, joining us via Zoom is Police Major Marcy Grace Maron, Public Information Officer of BCPO. Magandang umaga, Police Major. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Good morning, sir, and good morning to all the viewers of this program.
Major, simulan muna natin sa mga goals ng Baguio City Police. When you could look at yung environmental laws po ninyo, if I'm not mistaken, nag-step up po kayo in terms of trying to curb noise pollution, in particular at mga burning of trash amongst residences and of course businesses dun po sa Baguio City.
Yes, actually, sir, it is one of the program of our city director, one of his 5 agenda. Agenda is the environmental protection. So yun po, meron po kaming mga ini-implement na mga uh, ordinances pertaining to the protection of environment as well as po yung syempre yung national laws on yung protection ng environment. So, ang pangunahing layunin syempre of course nito is para mapanatiling malinis, tahimik at ligtas yung ating City of Baguio. Of course for the strict implementation ng mga batas laban sa illegal na mga paggamit ng of course yung mga mufflers. That is for yung para yung sa noise, sa pagsusunog ng basura at iba pang paglabag sa environmental laws. O bahagi ito ng aming tungkulin para sa of course yung kaligtasan at kalusugan ng community, sir.
Okay, klaro lang natin po na yung sa mga noise violations, especially sa mga illegal muffler, may gamit kayong decibel meter po. Tama po ba yan? At hindi lang opinion na po na, maingay ito. Talagang may tool po kayo para i-determine kung labag siya sa batas. Tama po ba?
Yes po, meron nga po tayong na mga decibels po. Ayun nga po, para yun ang magagamit po na measure para masabing maingay nga talaga, sir.
Nung nakarang linggo, or I believe right before yung elections po, may 18 vehicle owners na nahuli po for yung decibel meters, or at least nagamit yung decibel meter in terms of yung sa noise pollution po. What actions were taken against yung 18 na po yun?
Actually, sir, they were apprehended. And then with that, sir, the BCPO will have a dialogue with the motorcycle groups. We had actually last April 18 to address the concerns of these loud mufflers. During the meeting, sir, we try to resolve the problem and yung mga complaints being received by the office. And the violators were yun. Of course, they are apprehended, sir.
Major, pag-usapan natin yung problema ng burning of garbage. One of the key points po sa agenda po ninyo when it comes to environmental protection. How big of a problem is yung pagsisiga po ng basura? And of course, when you take a look at yung implementation po in terms of environmental protection, ano po yung mga efforts ng Baguio City Police?
On the garbage burning, sir, actually that is prohibited under the law, the national law. Of course, we have also the local ordinance here in Baguio. So violators are faced with fines when they are being apprehended. They will undergo community service and other penalties, sir, depending on the frequency and severity of the offense. We strictly enforce this to safeguard, of course, yung environment natin, sir. Siyempre yan, sir, sa pag pinabayaan natin yan, that will cause, siyempre, baka magkakaroon ng sunog.
Ma'am, may mga educational campaign po ba kayo, especially when it comes to environmental protection sa Baguio City?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, we have this, we conduct yung ating information drive And we also are active. We are active in our reminders sa ating social media account.
Mhm. Ma'am, na-mention niyo po kanina as we show and flash yung contact details po ng Baguio City Police Office for any violations and reports. Na-mention niyo po kanina na may 5-point agenda po yung City Director po ninyo, especially one of them involving the environment as well. And I'm sure involved po kayo sa iba pong agenda points. Ano po yung mga 5 points na yun ni City Director po?
Ah, yung 5-point agenda niya, sir, is first niyan, sir, is yung ating moral and welfare. Yung unang agenda niya po is yung moral and welfare ng
Mhm.
ating personnel. Next is yung intensifying yung crime prevention, improving yung crime solution, managing traffic, and yung ensuring yung disaster preparedness and protection of the environment, sir.
Na-mention ba yung traffic management at, well, bilang isang turista, minsan kapag nasa Baguio po ako, talaga yung traffic nagiging issue na and I'm sure nagko-contribute din yun sa noise pollution, sa pollution in general. In terms of traffic management po, gaano kalaking challenge yun para sa BCPO?
Napakalaking challenge talaga yan, sir, kasi you know naman na Baguio City is one of the favorite tourist destination. So actually with that po, we have we have created yung ating Baguio City View Baguio, yung View Baguio app, so we
Mhm.
can be able to we can download that application so that we will be able to see yung traffic situation ng Baguio City, sir. So we will also be able to see yung tourist destination, kung ilan yung available parking slots in that tourist spot, and there are also posted there yung mga ordinances, yung mga advisories, and yung
Mhm.
mga reminders to the public, sir.
Alam mo, Major, excited na ako bumalik Baguio. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for talking to us. And hopefully po, magkita tayo soon in person naman. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Right, that was Major Maron joining us from Baguio City for more updates on the state of Baguio City, especially when it comes to the environment.